Good morning, everybody. I'd like to introduce the most, what do I say, the amazing threesome right here, who have brought this beautiful design democracy to Hyderabad. So I'd like you all to introduce yourself. I think that will be a nice thing. So start with you. Chepandi.
I'm Shailja Patwari,
Shailja Patwari,
co-founder of Design Democracy,
and she's from Hyderabad.
and I'm from Hyderabad. Very proud to be from here.
Yeah.
I'm Arjun Rathi. I'm an architect and a lighting designer and co-founder from Mumbai.
Hi, I am Pallika Srivastav. I am co-founder of Design Democracy and I am from Hyderabad.
And I'm Pinky Reddy from Hyderabad, your good old Pinky Reddy. And I want to compliment all three of them for bringing this outstanding exhibition to Hyderabad. And this is their third year. Chala successful ga చేస్తున్నారు, and this has become like the place to come. I've got so many people calling me saying, "Oh, design democracy ki రావాలి మీరు." I mean, people from all over the country have come here, put up their stalls, and they're very proud to say they're coming to Hyderabad for design democracy. And I wish them all the best. And I want it to be bigger and more successful. ఇప్పుడు మనం now we are right here for the beautiful MOT of Museum of Telangana. I'd like to invite Supraja Rao, the creator of this location, and she's an architect. Yeah, that's Supraja. So Supraja, would you also introduce yourself?
I'm Supraja, interior designer and gallerist, and we're standing in front of MOT, previously known as Museum of Telangana. And the main goal of this pavilion is to show regional voices from the region of Telangana, Hyderabad. And so this is to amplify the work done by architects, designers, product designers, and similar disciplines. And I'm very grateful that Design Democracy wholeheartedly supports a venture like this, because this is a non-profit. It's really for the betterment of the profession, and I'm glad I'm a part of it.
So I must add one more thing. This is from Telangana. I'm from Telangana, and I didn't know we can get all this here. So I just met all the young, talented team here. So I'm going to come back tomorrow and shop with them again. And I invite everybody to come to Design Democracy and enjoy it. That's what is needed here. 120 మంది పాల్గొన్నారు. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ 80 మందే పాల్గొన్నారు. సో దేస్ అ డ్రాస్టిక్ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్. అండ్ ఐ మీన్, ఐ థింక్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఇంకా 150 మంది పాల్గొంటారేమో, నెవర్ నో. అండ్ ఐ విష్ దెమ్ ఆల్ ది సక్సెస్ అండ్ బెస్ట్.
All of Hyderabad to come to Design Democracy this weekend. We are on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at Hightex. Please come and enjoy the show. We love putting it together, and we're sure that you'll love it too. We have 150 designers, 80 architects, 3 pavilions, and 4 special exhibitions. Please do come and visit Design Democracy. So it's till 5:30 on Friday, which is today, and on Saturday and Sunday it starts at 10:30 on till 8 p.m. in the night.
Yeah.
He's asked a question.
Yeah. So I think like Design Democracy has become a movement rather than just an exhibition platform. We really want to invite everyone to come and visit. We've made it very affordable for students, for design enthusiasts. The show is free for architects to come and visit as well. So we are hoping to get a mix of young, old designers, design enthusiasts, all to come and visit us this weekend.
So basically, Design Democracy is a platform where creativity, culture, and innovation comes together. And there are a lot of beautiful pavilions, bold talks happening here. So we will like Hyderabad to come here and visit and see what exactly we are trying to do here. We are here on 5th, 6th, and 7th of September. Thank you so much. Please come. So this time we have three pavilions. Then we have more designers, and then we have special exhibit. So there is one path which has been made by an architect called Nuru Karim. It's called The Flow. Then we have Gallery of Sustainability, which is done by Abin Chaudhary. Then we have Museum of Precious Object, which is done by Farha. And we are in front of Museum of Telangana, which is curated by Supraja Rao. Anything which goes inside the house, everything from from kitchens to your furnitures to furnishing to lights, everything, whatever you can think of, whichever things can go inside the house, it's present here, and from all budgets. So everything is here. And we have also been supported by a lot of our sponsors like our title sponsor is the Charcoal Project, our platinum sponsor is Asian Paints, our gold sponsor is Bondtite and Anchor. Then we have associate sponsors like Dmore, MCI, West Elm, and FEMA, Awesome. So there are other, and then we have, Keys Automation, where the satellite party is being sponsored. Then we have Trilite, who's sponsoring our launch party. So whole of, all these people have come together and supported us to make this whole thing successful. Thank you so much.
Conference में ही ना.
So Design Democracy the third edition, and I'm very happy that third edition కూడా నాతో ఇనాగ్రేట్ చేయించారు. సో రియల్లీ వండర్ఫుల్. అంటే దే స్టార్టెడ్ ఎక్కడంటే ఫస్ట్ ఎన్ కన్వెన్షన్లో చిన్నగా స్టార్ట్ చేశారు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్. సెకండ్ ఇయర్ హైటెక్స్లో 2 హాల్స్ తీసుకున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు దే గ్రౌండ్ టు సచ్ ఏ బిగ్ 3 హాల్స్. అంటే ఎందుకు ఇలా అవుతుందంటే ద అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ అంటే వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఇష్టంగా చేస్తున్నది దీని మీద తెలుస్తుంది. ఎవ్రీవన్ షుడ్ విజిట్. ఎందుకంటే మనకు గృహానికి సంబంధించినవి కానీ అంటే ఎస్పెషల్లీ డెకరేషన్స్లో దేశంలో నలుమూలల నుంచి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ప్రదర్శిస్తున్నారు. సో వెరీ 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 అంటే చాలా చాలా బాగున్నాయని చెప్పగలుగుతాను నేను. ద స్టాల్స్ డెకరేషన్ కూడా మీరు అందరు చూసుంటారు, ఇప్పుడు చాలా బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఉన్నాయి. సో ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ విజిట్ ఒకసారి. ఎందుకంటే మనం కొనే స్తోమత లేకున్నా కానీ కొన్ని ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే చూడదగినవి. మన ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ కైండ్. ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి చూశాను, ఒక హనుమాన్ని ఒక అంటే ధ్యానం పూజలో ఒకటి చూశారు, అమేజింగ్ అనిపించింది. అంటే చూడగానే ఒక పిక్చర్ తీసుకోవాలనిపించింది. అలాగే అంటే మ్యూజియం ఆఫ్ తెలంగాణలో అంటే వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆర్టిఫాక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆర్టిఫాక్ట్స్లో చూసుకుంటే ఇట్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ కైండ్ అన్నట్టు. దేశంలో కూడా ఇట్లాంటివి వెరీ రేర్గా నాకు తెలిసి అయితే ఏం జరగట్లేదు. సో ఇది కంపల్సరీగా ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ కమ్ అండ్ విజిట్. సో ఈ 3 days ప్రోగ్రాంలో విజిట్ చేస్తే దే కెన్ చూస్ సంథింగ్ అండ్ ఈ కెన్ మన ఇంట్లో కూడా మనము ఎలా అలంకరించుకోగలుగుతాం అనేది కూడా దీంతో తెలిసిపోతుంది. ఐ థింక్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ మేక్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ అంటే ఆపర్చునిటీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Both girls for bringing them out and showing it to the world. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Good morning. It's a true honor to be around this kind of artisans, true custodians of the city landscape and culture and heritage. And we genuinely support Design Democracy since last 3 years. Those three think tanks are very, very genuine and they are supporting all the artisans who are on dying arts also. I happily supporting all these years and wish you all the best.
The third successively bigger year. So it's been an amazing journey for you guys and I'm wishing you the best for the future, like the other speakers mentioned. And Asian Paints has always been about Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai, or every home has a beautiful story to say. And that's what we have believed in, also partnering with the design community for. And when I see Design Democracy, I think that's where the partnership also makes sense. Because the tools that you're giving for everyone to say the stories of their homes beautifully is amazing. And the other really unique part and the amazing part that we found was the platform that is given to Indian brands and Indian designers and artists. Because as a proud Indian MNC, that's again something we believe the best in the world can come from India. And therefore, can Indian homes be the best design spaces in the world? I think the answer lies here. And we are very proud to partner you with that journey.